Meow. So here we go with part 2 of this poor little feral mama and her kittens. So I'm just working with a basic school pencil crayon, you know, the kind kids use at school. I find them excellent for practice sketching because I pick them up at garage sales and thrift stores. I get the black ones, and that way I don't have to use my good artist pencils for practice sketching. Do what you can to save money and save your good stuff for your good stuff. Not that sketching isn't good stuff. Sketching is awesome, but I do lots of practice, so I want an economical option. That little paw that's tucked under Kitty. This is a really fun one. Really enjoying sketching these kittens with their mama. I've got one paw that's kind of tucked under there at an awkward angle, but that kind of adds a little character to the drawing. Let's find out where we want to put those eyes. There we go. Nope, not quite happy with that. I pretty much did the same thing again, so here I go again. And I do still have it sped up to twice the speed here, so I can fit more in. Please join our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook if you truly are passionate about drawing cats. You will find the link for that group in the description below, and some other handy cat drawing links too. I'm pretty picky about shaping my paws right. Get that cute little face in there. It's nice that this drawing has 3 kittens looking at us from 3 different perspectives, because it gives us lots of practice with different perspectives. Just going to measure where that ear goes in, and the bottom of it kind of lines up with the mouth. I'll get the eye in first. So I really look for places where things kind of line up together. Just for their features, I just get a suggestion, because you can get too carried away with perfection and then you end up with too many details and the viewer's eye doesn't know where to look. See, they erase actually quite well, these pencil crayons too. They don't completely erase, but they do erase all right. What's left just turns into background tone. Oh yes, and do please help build our community by subscribing to the channel. Hit that little notification bell so you don't miss my new videos when they come out. We'd be happy to have you. Shaping up Kitty's face. Get an eye line in there. And we'll get the inner corners of those eyes. Once I got the inner corner, it comes a lot more easy. And the nose lines up, the outside of the nose lines up with the inner corner of the eyes too, usually, depending on perspective, of course. I like those little slanted down eyes, they're so cute. And we're going to wrap things up in less than a minute here. The drawing's not finished, but part 3 is coming. So if you subscribe and hit that notification bell, you will be notified when part 3 is out, and that's soon. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen part 1, you should be able to find it by hovering over the top right hand corner. There should be a link there to take you to part 1. Where we finish this sketch, if you can ever call a sketch finished. We'll see you in part 3.